If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Wells Fargo, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wells Fargo online banking account or mobile app using your username and password. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, find the section labeled Accounts or Transactions. This will display your recent account activity, including pending transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Look for the specific pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, so locate the one that needs attention. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click or tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with additional information about the transaction, including options for cancellation if available. Step 5. Follow cancellation instructions. If the option to cancel is available, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. If there is no option to cancel, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer service for further assistance. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your account to ensure the transaction is successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Wells Fargo support for help.